Y'all, I was so excited to see the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Glow in the Darks in CVS, but this is all they had left. I ran in there to get a prescription, so I was in a rush. My husband had allergic reaction, so he needed his medication ASAP. So I did not get one, but I'm hoping they're gonna still be there when I go back. Hopefully I can find some more, maybe at another CVS. I have to have at least one or two of those in my collection. So I was looking around to see if they had any more, and they did not. But the collection is called Lights Out, Frights Out. So if you find it anywhere besides CVS, let me know in the comments. So on my way out the door, I spotted this Sally Hansen X Netflix, The School of Good and Evil limited edition collection. So I was just giving you guys a quick little peek at these. I didn't have time to pick them up and show you guys one by one, but I went slow enough so you could kind of see the colors and the names. They were $9.99 each. A couple of the colors were missing, as you can see, and back here was a couple of those new top coats that I've showed you guys a couple of times in my recent videos. So yeah, y'all know whenever I see some new polish or some new nail stuff, I have to share it with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I do a lot of store walkthroughs and showing you guys what's new. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like,